Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. The settings screen on the ArcReach Data Application Program is used to configure the program to conform to the user's preferences. The joint identifier fields can be used to enter information about the joint that is to be heated. Up to 3 joint identifiers can be used to identify each joint being heated. The default setup uses ISO for the first joint identifier and field weld number for the second joint identifier. When a setup file is created, the joint identifier 1 field is required to be entered. The joint identifier 2 and joint identifier 3 fields are not required, but the user can choose to make these fields required. The technician field can be used to enter the name of the person performing the heating. The minimum and maximum temperature fields reflect the required temperatures for the joint to be heated. Note, these values will limit the range in which an operator can manually adjust the target temperature. The Merge Temperature Files feature allows a user to merge multiple temperature files into one file when using the temperature chart. This can be useful when a joint is heated at different times, which may have resulted in multiple heating data files or if 2 ArcReach heaters are used to heat one joint. After making any changes to the settings, click the Save button to save any changes made.